Students, welcome to the Best Social Teacher YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss history part in 10th class. In history, the fourth lesson, Age of Industrialization, is one of the important topic. In this lesson, India's industrial production growth during World War I is a key concept. So, in examinations, one question may be asked from this concept. So let us discuss the concept. In the examinations, the question may be asked like this: India's industrial production increased during First World War. Analyze the statement. Now we will discuss the answer how to write. During First World War 1914 to 1918, industrial production in India grew rapidly due to several factors. They are, we have to write side heading wise, the factors you have to write in putting the side headings like this. First, decline in imports. British and foreign imports dropped sharply, giving Indian industries a larger domestic market. While the British were in war, they stopped imports. So their products may not be available in the market. So it gives a chance to the Indian industries to produce more in the and fulfill the needs of the domestic market in India. Next thing is increased war demand. War needs more products. So the Indian factories were required to produce war related goods like jute bags, army uniforms, tents and leather boots. These are the requirements for wars. So all these products were produced by Indian industrialists and got profits at the time of World War I. The third factor is expansion of factories. Many new factories were established and existing ones increased the production. That means the Indian industrialists were started the new factories and also the production capacity is increased due to the demand of war. And next factor is multiple shifts, longer working hours. To meet rising demand, factories introduced multiple shifts and workers had to work longer hours. So the workers got employment also and they work harder and longer working hours. Next one is employment growth. Many new workers were hired to keep up the higher production needs. Because of the war, the needs of the war were high, so new employees were got employment in the factories. The last one is boost to Indian industries. As British were indulged in war, the Indian industrialists and Indian industries got a chance to develop. So as British industries were focused on war production, Indian industrialists got an opportunity to expand their business. These are the 6 factors which helped Indian industries to produce more during World War I. Thank you one and all. Wish you all the best. Please subscribe this Best Social Teacher YouTube channel. Thank you all.